Hello internet, it's Barrie Davies here again, back on the YouTubes. It's Tuesday and it's a lovely day out there in Brighton Hove, bit cloudy. But anyway, got to go to the gallery today, drop some prints off and be in the studio later. And what else am I doing today? Yeah, just other internet-in type stuff, as well as shooting another YouTube video for you guys to watch. Let's put my camera there just a second. Yeah, so quick coffee and yeah, get up there. So and oh, I've got to go to Waitrose as well today. That's another job to do. So yeah, but it's not raining today. Rained a bit yesterday. It's a bit nicer today. So yeah. No, I am trying. What I'm trying to do at the moment is I'm trying to do these sort of daily videos, kind of insight into my art practice and me and what I get up to. So but they're not easy because you just think, oh yeah, I should have filmed that. Oh yeah, I should have filmed that, and I forget. Do you know what I mean? So Anyway, right, onward and upward. So anyway, I've succumbed to buying these. So I've tested them out on the way home, and they're really good. I have to say, volume's really good on there. They work straight away out of the box. Yeah, amazing. But the weather's gone really, gone really yucky. Ooh. January, you're a horrible month. Bugger off. Times like this you think, wish I was on a holiday. Somewhere nice and sunny. Yeah. We're going to be testing out the new, the Greg's vegan sausage roll. I haven't had one yet, so this is going to be it's going to be interesting. So we'll taste this in a minute with a cup of tea. Right, so far on the vegan sausage roll verdict, and what's the verdict? I thought it was quite nice actually. I'm trying to eat a sausage roll while
better than I thought.
Yeah. Bang on. If you haven't tried one, that's what they look like. Does taste like a bit like meat. There you are. That's
Sagey.
bit sagey. That's the verdict of the vegan sausage roll. Nice one, Greg's. Right, peeps. Just going to finish my video off here. Not a lot happened today, but we went out and did stuff, sorted some prints out for the gallery, and yeah, Philippa's not very well. She's got a bit of a cold, so I'm sort of looking after her at the moment, make sure she's okay. But anyway, if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and I'm just going to leave you with this nice picture of a cute kitten, just for something for you to look at. Alright, ciao for now. Bye.